M2 Fitness started last August 30, 2020 during the pandemic. We started this because, during the pandemic, because during that time, we started training different, we offer different variety of exercises like Zumba, strong or HIIT workout, toning, circle mobility, and aqua Zumba.
Hello, we're here at M2 Fitness. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Julie Harrison. I'm one of the coaches here at M2 Fitness.
Okay, and why do you do this?
For fun. I like to dance, and this is a good crowd to dance with, and lots of energy, get the stress of the week out also.
Okay. What is your name?
Emily Cabrera.
And what do you do here?
Well, I'm one of the members of M2 Fitness. Yes.
And why do you do it?
I'm really concerned about my health.
Okay.
So I thought the one way of doing it is, to be physically fit.
Okay.
And then the second thing is I love Zumba.
Okay.
I like dancing.
Okay.
So that's one of the reasons why I joined.
Okay.
And what else? Yeah, it's just like there's not much thing to do in the island except for
Zumba.
like Zumba. To be physically fit, go to a gym and those things.
Well, I do this to feel good.
Okay.
Yeah, it makes you feel good overall. It's for your body, for your health, mental health as well.
Okay.
So
I have some really quick questions. Don't think, just answer very fast. Okay, you ready?
Sure.
Okay, lumpia or pancit?
Okay, I'll go with pancit, long life.
Sigsig or sinigang?
Okay, no, I'm gonna go with sinigang. It's healthier than the sisig.
Okay.
But sisig is much better, tastier.
Okay. And Jollibees or the Elegance?
I'll go to the Elegance. I'm the manager of the Elegance, so you have to come there.
Okay, thank you. Lumpia or pancit?
Pancit.
Sigsig or sinigang?
Sinigang.
Jollibee or the Elegance?
The Elegance.
Oh, nice one. Okay, thank you. Lumpia or pancit?
Lumpia,
Sigsig or sinigang?
sisig,
The Elegance or Jollibee?
elegance.
Good one. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Lumpia or pancit?
pancit,
Sigsig or sinigang?
sinigang,
The Elegance or Jollibee?
the elegance.
The Elegance is the top winner. Okay, thank you.
Saturday, we have this is a M2 Fitness 6th anniversary, level 6 unlocked, and at the same time, we're not just celebrating our anniversary. We're doing it for a fundraising event because we offer this for all the for the community who are affected by the Typhoon Sanlaku and Typhoon Bobby across Saipan, Tinian, and Rhoda.